Good morning, honorable judges, fellow participants, and everyone joining us today. We are Team Visionaries and we are excited to present our business case solution for Gadjah Mada Business Case Competition 2024. And our topic focuses on a crucial issue, enhancing farming productivity through efficient fertilizing. Before we dive deeper, let me introduce our team. My name is Rolando Bulto. Joining me are my talented teammates, Mr. Rumi Al-Fajri and Nicholas Dwi Chandra. Let's begin with an overview of business case. We identified three key challenges faced by PT Pupuk Kalimantan Timur. First, the threat of climate change, and second, a decline in profitability due to inefficiencies, and the third is the need to address environmental and sustainability to ensure long-term growth. Our primary goal is to close the gap in both profitability and sustainability for PT Pupuk Kaltim. To achieve this, we proposed the AgriSinergi Kaltim initiative. So, our implementation plan is also projected to yield significant financial benefits. Now, let's move on to a deeper dive into challenges we identified. So, globally, agriculture faces significant challenges. As the world population continues to grow, so does the pressure on food security. However, climate change forces the agricultural sector to prioritize sustainability. First, currently, the agriculture contributes to 24% of global greenhouse gas emissions. Of that, 5% comes directly from fertilizer production and usage. Moreover, 2/3 of nitrogen runoff is caused by excessive and inefficient fertilizing practices, leading to environmental degradation. So, PT Pupuk Kalimantan Timur, or Pupuk Kaltim, is a leading player in Indonesia's fertilizer industry under the Pupuk Indonesia Holding, is also feeling this impact. Despite efforts to innovate with bio-based fertilizer, soil ameliorants, and smart farming technologies, market absorption remains limited. This is further reflected in their recent performance, particularly for NPK fertilizers between 2021 to 2022. This decline, along with the global shift towards environmental social governance standards, that highlights the urgent need for PT Pupuk Kaltim to adopt more sustainable practices and reduce its greenhouse gas emissions. To better understand the need for our proposed solution, we have identified three key problems facing the agricultural sectors and PT Pupuk Kaltim. The first, the threat of climate change continues to put pressure on agricultural productivity. And the second, PT Pupuk Kaltim has been experiencing income depletion, especially in recent years. And lastly, the challenges of environmental and social sustainability are becoming increasingly critical. With this problem in mind, we have developed a comprehensive solutions that address these areas effectively. At this point, I would like to invite my teammate Nicholas to continue with our proposed strategy and how we aim to tackle these challenges.
Thank you, Rolando. So at first, we are going to assess the effects of the climate change. We conduct a climate risk assessment. Turns out that there are two risks that Pupuk Kaltim faces. The first one is the physical risks, and the second one is the transition risk. Physical risk includes the risk of the extreme drought, which leads to the decrease of sales that Pupuk Kaltim faces. The second one is also Pupuk Kaltim faces a material production inefficiency due to the extreme weather. And the second one is the transition risk, which is mainly related to the regulatory changes, the demand for companies to shift towards sustainability approaches, and also the market shift towards sustainable products. And through this risk, there are actually a few opportunities for change, including product innovations towards more sustainability products, carbon capture technology, also to innovate the production facility, and to implement a mass-scale implementation of biofertilizers. But there are some solutions that are still far in development and needs further considerations. So for the next assessment, I will hand over to my teammate, Rumi.
Thank you, Nicholas. Regarding the profitability depletion, we conduct 3C, competitor, customer, and company analysis to identify which area could be improved. Pupuk Kaltim's value chain is strategically designed to optimize the production and distribution of their fertilizer products while ensuring sustainability, efficiency, and customer satisfaction. However, we identify loopholes in their value chain process, which is a decline in sales volume, where sales reach 91%, while NPK sales reach 42%, indicates that Pupuk Kaltim may not be effectively responding to customer needs or market conditions. And company achieved only 63% of its NPK production target, and the shortfall suggests that operational processes may not be fully optimized, hence reducing economies of scale and potentially due to insufficient continuous adjustment in the production rate and problems in the market absorption issues and the supply chain constraint. Next, regarding the customer profile and behavior that we identified for Pupuk Kaltim, challenge faced by Pupuk Kaltim customer personas reflect a complex mix of logistical, pricing, and knowledge-related issues, where our customer segment potentially suffer from a lack of agricultural knowledge, which impacts their ability to make informed purchasing decisions, further complicating the adoption of more sustainable and efficient fertilizer solution offered by the PKT, thus reducing the PKT revenue and supply absorption. And from this customer analysis also, we identified that 70% of market share in 32 is supported by the subsidized market. So we should look into deeper into that market. And then regarding the competitor intelligence, PKT faces several loopholes related to its competitive advantage compared to its competitor. One of it is that PKT customer support or initiatives to help farmers only concentrated on the Eastern Indonesia, leaving gaps in support for farmers in other parts of the country. There are also other opportunities for Pupuk Kaltim initiatives in customer support that could boost company sales and revenue while maintaining customer support, engagement, and social responsibility. Regarding the environmental and social sustainability challenges, we identify using SIPOC diagram, and one of the key takeaway that we identify from this framework is that the PKT still far from the best practices. And from the analysis that we have conducted, we come out with the 15 possible solutions, and we further analyze with the impact and feasibility analysis metrics, and we come out with two main priority solutions that has the high impact and high feasibility that could address challenges that PKT has.
Okay, thank you, Rumi. So, continuing from Rumi's solution, we are introducing AgriSinergi Kaltim, which is a vertically integrated farming in Pupuk Kaltim's ecosystem. This is a new revenue stream for Pupuk Kaltim that is in line with the sustainability concept, while also empowering its community and is capital efficient. So why we are proposing this solution? Because we believe that Indonesia has the communal culture which is suitable with this kind of approach to introduce the sustainable products that Pupuk Kaltim already has. So what is this AgriSinergi Kaltim innovation actually? It is an end-to-end sustainability approach, which extends from Pupuk Kaltim's bio-fertilizers or sustainable approaches that already exist. We are going to introduce them into the society, to the farmers. And while also introducing these products, we are monitoring them and ensuring them that these products are well received and produces a substantial increase in their farming capacity. And therefore, they will gain a lot of increase in the harvest capacity. And not only stopping there, but we are also going to absorb their harvest, their crops, so that it will bring sustainable income for them. And by then, we can also gain additional revenue stream. And how does this work? So this program is basically empowering community through the layers of empowerment from the Pupuk Kaltim ecosystem, extending to the contractual community trainer up to the downstream, which is the farmers as the end customer. So we are promoting the circular economy from factory to farmers to ensure that they have achieved sustainable income. And we can divide them into few phases, and these are the stakeholders that are related to these phases. The first phase, the design and planning, mainly regarding the community mapping and also the curriculum development, will be involving the internal Pupuk Kaltim team and also the pilot community. The second one is the program implementation, which is consists of Salesforce training, resource training, and also pilot test and go-to-market, which involves a larger community. And for the last phase, the evaluation, we will improve this program by conducting a feedback analysis and also follow-up support and training.
After that, we conduct the financial feasibility analysis for the AgriSinergi Kaltim solution that we have offered. And the key takeaway is that the program has NPV of 21 billion rupiah and the benefit to cost ratio of 1.44. And from this analysis, we can conclude that this program is a feasible solution for PKT to improve their financial and sustainability challenges, because from this analysis, it has a positive revenue and has quite a good return on equity, a good return on asset, gross profit margin, and all of the financial aspect of PKT. And these are the risks that we have identified, and the timeline proposed for AgriSinergi Kaltim. That the key takeaway is that from this timeline, we only have one planting period per year to allow PKT to conduct improvement and feedback analysis. we believe that AgriSinergi Kaltim solution that we have offered is the most promising solution that PKT could adopt to address their challenges in sustainability, climate change, and also the most important financial challenges that they have faced in the current and past years. Thank you.